Today, let's talk about the only place or thing you see yourself for real. Mirrors. For most people, mirrors are the indispensable grooming aid, but they can also be a decorating tool to create accents, transform a space, or even to establish a mood. There are many different design styles to consider when giving your home a makeover. Scandinavian, eclectic, contemporary, mid-century modern, and the list goes on. Like that, there are so many kinds of mirrors as well. Have you ever stuck in front of a mirror just to have a look of yourself one more time? I know it has happened so many times. Then what do you think of a view in a full-length mirror? It's fabulous. I always prefer to take a last look in a full-length mirror before leaving the home. Large mirrors are an important part of the bedroom or entryway. Full-length mirrors lets you admire yourself in every single angle, checking how well your dress fits or retouching your makeup before you leave outside. And also, it's a nice decor piece serves functionality. Our living room is quite small compared to other rooms. Adding a mirror has solved the issue to some extent to make an illusion of a big space. Look at that royal gold mirror. This mirror is the focal point in our living room now. This round mirror with a hanging gold chain is adding a touch of glam to our living space. This classic piece looks so elegant and adding a warm feel to the space. We have one similar mirror in our foyer with a leather belt detailing, the stylish leather strap giving it an urban modern look. I have placed the mirror near the balcony door to make the best use of the natural light. As I mentioned earlier, mirrors create an illusion of open space, doubling whatever is in a room. We can use mirrors to make a room feel larger and more inviting than they truly may be. As you can see, this wall is filled with mirrors and baskets. That small sunshade mirror is one of my DIYs. You can even build a gallery wall out of mirrors. I am pretty much excited to share some more DIYs. Look at that. I have given the mirror a facelift by adding placemat underneath and added some braided pajama cotton strings. It just costed me 70 rupees or so and it looks stunning. This is another DIY. This mirror I picked up from a local market for 100 rupees and I simply added some cotton rope to give it a bohemian look. I have placed this mirror in our balcony to make this small space to feel bigger. It gives the illusion of depth and space. This gorgeous architectural mirror would add a touch of French country style to the space. French mirrors are the perfect epitome of functionality and grace. I think this is a perfect ornament to adorn your walls. This is not a decorative mirror, but any mirror can be a decorative tool. It has a regular reflective mirror on one side and magnifying the other. It's very easy to treat mirrors as a piece of decor to simply fill in an empty space on the wall. There are many varieties of mirrors and styles: carved mirror, golden, vintage, etc. etc. To check if your mirror is in the right place, it's a good idea to ensure that your mirror should always be used to reflect the best light and features in your home. To let the light in, simply place a mirror opposite or next to a window to increase the amount of natural light cast into the room. Mirrors effectively double up your light sources. So, what's your mirror story? Do let me know in the comment section below. See you next time with a new home story. Until then, bye bye.